Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. We continue with football. Former Molynes United coach Anthony Patrick says he's open to taking another Premier League job after he was released from the club last week. The two-time Manning Cup winning coach is disappointed with the way things ended with Molynes. After a 3-year break from the Premier League, Anthony Patrick made a return in the summer, taking over from Calvert Fitzgerald at Molynes United. But after finishing 10th in the truncated Jamaica Premier League, the former Waterhouse coach was looking towards the new season until he was relieved of his job last Thursday. The manner in which it was done has left a bitter taste in Patrick's mouth.
After training, the president was at the training session and he left right before it finished. But, while driving out, I see a message coming on the phone and I say, what is this? And I open it and see.
Patrick adds that he was not told why his contract would not be renewed.
I would rather, we have a discussion because my contract up the end of December. There were a few days that before, so it would be good if him did, confront me and we have a discussion here. But that's where I feel slightly.
However, TVJ Sports understands that at the heart of the decision not to renew Patrick's contract is his attachment to Racing FC, where he's also a head coach. According to a source close to Molynes United, the club made the decision not to renew Patrick's deal because he would not give them the assurance that he would commit fully to the club. But Patrick revealed that those concerns were already addressed.
The discussion that we have, that I will be there, but they asked me if I'd have time, and I said, well, no problem, because same like how the club accept me being there to help finish out the season last season. I'll do the same, so it's going to be a problem.
Patrick says after a taste of top-flight football following the 3-year break, he's open to a return.